universe is about to put on a show in 2025 and you're invited in the front row. The year 2025 will be packed with jaw-dropping celestial events that might just make you fall in love with the night sky. From a total solar eclipse that will plunge entire regions into the darkness to meteor showers that will dazzle like cosmic fireworks, next year is going to be epic. And guess what? We have the ultimate guide to help you catch every single one of them. This is the Universe Factory, and here is your ultimate guide to astro events that will take place throughout the next year. This list includes major astro events and does not include planetary and lunar conjunctions, occultations, new moon and full moons. Also, do not worry, as I will bring all these events in the monthly videos of Astro Events edition. But before we dive in, we are on a mission to hit 1000 subscribers before 2024 ends, and you can help make it happen. Now hit that subscribe button and join our growing crew of stargazers who never miss the wonders of the universe. Don't forget to follow us on social media platforms for real-time updates and exclusive tips to make your stargazing experience unforgettable. Links are in the description. Now let's dive into the incredible astronomical wonders that await us in 2025. January starts with the quadrantid's meteor shower, which is an above average shower with up to 40 meteors per hour at its peak. The shower runs annually from January 1st to 5th, peaking this year on the night of the 3rd and the morning of the 4th. I have mentioned some interesting stargazing apps for you to locate celestial objects easily. Do check them, links updated down in the description. On 4th January, the Earth will reach its closest point to the Sun, also known as perihelion, at a roughly distance of about 3 million kilometers closer than the average. You will get to see a brilliant planetary parade along with the Moon on 8th January. All planets but Mercury will be aligned in the night at the same time, forming what is breathtaking planetary alignment. You can easily identify Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. These planets are easily visible to the naked eyes. On 12th of January, red planet Mars will be seen shining brightly in the night sky. This is because it will be closest to the Earth in over 2 years and will be seen twinkling throughout the night. February begins with another chance to experience the planetary parade in the evening sky. On 2nd February, this time you'll be able to see naked eye planets Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn along with the Moon aligned in almost a straight line. On 4th February, the gas giant Jupiter will start its normal eastward motion through the constellations, ending its ongoing retrograde motion towards westward. 16th February will see Venus dominating the night sky with its peak brightness of around -4.6 in the western sky after the sunset. 23rd February is the day on which the red planet Mars will end its westward retrograde motion. Just like Jupiter, it will start moving eastward through the constellations. On 12th March, a ringed planet Saturn will go behind the Sun and will remain hidden for a few weeks, so it will be absent in the night sky during this time. 14th March will be the special because a total lunar eclipse will take place, turning the Moon gradually darker and then take on a rusty or blood red color. The eclipse will be visible throughout all of the North America, Mexico, Central America and South America. A partial solar eclipse will take place on 29th March that will be visible throughout Greenland and most of the northern Europe and northern Russia. If you are going to be at Canada on this day, you'll be at luck. It will be best seen from Canada with 93% coverage. Lyraid's meteor shower will take place on the night of 22nd and morning of 23rd April. You'll get to see up to 18 meteors per hour. Venus will be shining brightest again on 24th April with a magnitude of around -4.5, this time in the eastern early morning sky. 5th May will see the red planet sitting near Beehive cluster in constellation of Cancer. Don't miss out to observe this spectacular event with your good pair of binoculars or a telescope. Eta Aquarids meteor shower going to light up the night sky between 6th and 7th of May. These are the fireballs from Halley's Comet. This shower produces up to 40 meteors per hour at its peak. Equinox will occur on ringed planet Saturn on 6th May. This means that the sun will appear over the planet's equator, changing the seasons. Jupiter will go behind the sun on 24 June, remaining hidden in the sun's glare for next few weeks. It will be absent from the night sky during this time. On 6th July, the Earth will be at the farthest point from the sun, around 3 million kilometers away from the average. 13 July is the day where Saturn will stop its usual eastward motion through constellations, going retrograde. Delta Aquarids meteor shower will take place on 29th July, peaking with 25 meteors per hour. One of the best meteor showers of the year, Perseids will peak on the night of 12th August, producing up to 150 fireballs per hour. This time Venus will be seen together with Beehive cluster in the eastern pre-dawn sky of 31st August. Origids meteor shower is going to peak on the night of 1st September. These are the fireballs of Comet Keys, producing up to only 6 meteors per hour at its peak. Second lunar eclipse of this year is happening on 7th September. It will be visible throughout all of Asia and Australia and the central and eastern parts of Europe and Africa. On 21st September, Saturn will be at its closest approach to the Earth, or also called as opposition. It will rise in the east just around the sunset, reaching the highest point in the night sky at around midnight, and will set at a west around sunrise time. It will rise in the east just around the sunset, reaching the highest point in the night sky at around midnight, and will set at west around sunrise time. It will be brightest than at any other times throughout the year, great time to observe and photograph the Saturn. The last eclipse of the year will be partial solar eclipse, and it will take place on 21st September. It will only be visible in New Zealand, Antarctica and the southern Pacific Ocean. It will be best seen from New Zealand with 76% of coverage. This time it will be Neptune at opposition, meaning it will be at its closest approach to the Earth. It will be brightest than at any other times throughout the year, but you'll need a telescope to observe it on this day. 6th October will mark as the first supermoon of the year. The moon will be appearing to be bigger and brighter than usual, also known as the Hunter's Moon. Draconids meteor shower will peak on the night of 9th October, producing up to 10 meteors per hour. Another meteor shower in October, this time it's Orionids, peaking on the night of 21st October. It can produce up to 20 meteor fireballs per hour. Second supermoon of the year will be on 5th November. It will appear to be bigger and brighter than usual, also known as the Beaver's Moon. On 11th November, Jupiter will go into retrograde motion, meaning it will stop its eastward motion through the constellation and will start to move westward as seen from the Earth. Taurids meteor shower will decorate the night sky on the night of 12th November. It can produce up to 10 meteors per hour around the midnight time. There is another meteor shower of the November. This time it will be Leonids, peaking on the night of 18th November, producing up to 15 meteors per hour. This time Uranus will be at opposition on 21st November, meaning it will be shining at its brightest than at any other times throughout the year. On 27th November, Saturn will end its retrograde motion and will start moving eastward through the constellations as seen from the Earth. The last supermoon of the year will be on 4th December. It will appear bigger and brighter than usual, also known as the Gold Moon. Geminids are the best meteor shower of the year, peaking on the night of 13th of December. It can produce up to 150 meteor showers at its peak. Another meteor shower of the December, this time Perseids will peak on the night of 23rd December. It can produce up to 10 meteors per hour and will be the last meteor shower of the year. And there you have it, your guide to the most amazing astro events of 2025. Whether you're planning to chase eclipses, catch meteor showers, or just marvel at the beauty of the universe, next year promises unforgettable moments for all sky watchers. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more cosmic content. We are so close to hitting our goal of 1000 subscribers before the year ends, and your support makes all the difference. Meanwhile, watch these videos in the suggestions. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until then, keep looking up.